Clearborough, North Dallas. We don't shoot enough of these, but this is a full front. We always shoot the full cars typically, but we do a fair amount of full fronts. I don't do any partial fronts any longer. I haven't done those in a couple years where we do a quarter front. I just don't see the point of it. I know everybody's entitled to what they want, but a quarter front, I stopped doing those a while back. So full panels is all I do, and without further ado, here's a 24 IS 350, and over there's an IS 500 that's done. I just need to tin it, and out it goes to Washington. That's where that one belongs. This one's right here in the Dallas metro area. So let's talk about the full front. The full front, much like that IS 500 I'll go over, all this gets wrapped in. Everything, this little rubber comes out. I wrap this fender all the way back behind here, all the way inside the door. There's a rubber trim right here on the inside. I just pull it back and put it back in place. All the mirrors get wrapped around all the edges. Everything's perfect, line to line here. You're not wrapping anything on this panel. You'd have to take the mirror apart, and it probably wouldn't go back together because of the thickness of the film. Sorry about that. And all these pieces, full wrap on the mirror all the way under. Our hood, nice and clear, no adhesive marks, no problems with any debris, no problems with stretch marks. Everything's fantastic. All the edges and corners are wrapped. Fender corner, hood corner, seam all the way down, fully wrapped, nice and clear. You'll notice no marks in it. I got to put the F Sport badges back on it, and we come down to the bottom. I also wrap all this in, so there, when the dirt starts flying here, it would leave a dirt line where this, if it wasn't wrapped. All this comes out, tuck underneath. Everything looks super. So there it is, IS 350 2024 for a 16-year-old. When I was 16, I had a $400 car. Today, they get a $40-some thousand car. But he's a good student, I know that, so he deserved it. That's it. So any questions, clearboroughnorthdallas.com. My name is Brent. I'd love to help you with any questions you might have. I get people to call me from all over the U.S. with questions. I have no problem taking time out to help you if you get stuck on something or a dealer isn't doing something that you want. I'll do all I can to help or get a hold of the rep for Expel in that area. But it's tough to understand this stuff, especially at first-time users. I have no problem talking to you on the phone. For me to get on here and comment's tough because my hands are always working. I do all the installs. So appreciate you guys watching. You can get a hold of me at 214-414-3809 or cell phone 940-703-8301. Leave a message. If you don't, I won't know to call you back. So clearboroughnorthdallas.com. Thanks for watching.